Hello everyone, Sahana here, and today we are going to be going on with our Going Zero Waste series. So our last video was on DIY beeswax wraps, and this time we are going to be talking about going zero waste in the bathroom. So I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of tips and tricks to use a little bit less plastic waste. So let's get on with the video. Just before we start, I wanted to say that we are going to start with zero waste in the bathroom simply because I think it's the easiest thing to do when you're first starting out zero waste. So for example, in the kitchen, if you're using reusable cutlery or just reusable materials in general, it is a little bit harder, especially if you live with a group of people if you want to reduce your plastic waste. But because everything in a bathroom is individualized, it is super easy to just switch one thing and still make a difference. Another really easy thing to do to remove anything for your hair care or your body care is just the bar version of it. Lush has these amazing shampoo and conditioner bars that I use in my hair, and my hair looks pretty cool in my opinion. So you can use soap bars, face wash bars, they have lotion bars, they have moisturizer bars, anything. Like, just you can find them anywhere. I honestly think it's a super easy thing to do, especially if you think that certain ingredients just don't work well with your face. Really simple all natural ingredients go into soap bars, and that's why I think it's a really good healthier switch for your body and to save a little bit more plastic. All right, so the next thing that you can do to be a little bit more zero waste in the bathroom is having some DIY toothpaste. I know, DIY toothpaste, that's crazy. Trust me, I've been using DIY toothpaste for like a year and a half now, and look, my teeth are perfect. But you know, my teeth look pretty white, they're hygienic. My dentist has said so I'm going to say this. You can make your own toothpaste at home. Not only is it way cheaper, but it's another way to reduce that plastic tubes and all of those boxes that toothpaste come in. So essentially all you need to do to make DIY toothpaste is have half coconut oil, you see the picture there, half coconut oil and half baking soda, basically until you get a toothpaste-like consistency. So it's gonna taste kind of weird. In my opinion, it just tastes like coconut oil in your mouth. So I've been adding some mint extract in it. Tastes just like regular toothpaste. My teeth feel super clean just because I don't have to, I don't have the weird feeling that I have some unnatural chemicals in it. All toothpaste has active ingredients and this toothpaste does not. So yeah, that's another thing that you could do to be a little bit more plastic free. So one more thing that you can do, another super easy thing, is just getting soap bars. Soap bars aren't so crazy, it isn't the whole making your own toothpaste thing. But yeah, soap bars are super easy to use. Even if a soap bar isn't exactly plastic free, it's way less plastic than what you do with that liquid soap. I get my soap bars from my farmer's market just because it's good to support local businesses, especially now. But you can get soap bars literally anywhere, even at Costco, they'll still be waste, but it's still gonna be way less. At the end of the day, the goal of being zero waste isn't to be 100% plastic free, but just use a little bit less plastic. I'm obviously not 100% zero waste. As you can see from my wall, there's a lot of plastic going on there, a lot of paper. I've just been trying to reduce the amount of things that I buy that have plastic in it. All right, so here are some things that are a little bit more difficult. If you really want to get into that zero waste zone, then I suggest that you delve into them, but they do take a little bit more time and requirements than a typical normal version of it. First off, metal razors. So you can get a regular razor, just metal. That way it lasts for much longer. You don't have to throw it out as often, and all of the sharp, pointy stuff can be replaced with just metal too, and you can recycle it when it's all done. So another super easy way to go zero waste, except the problem here is that when you're using that shaving cream can be very difficult to find zero waste. You can make it at home, but again, just as difficult. So I suggest buying it on a myriad of websites. All of these, I hope the picture's working. All of these are websites that I use to buy things zero waste that I can buy in bulk so that they are a little bit cheaper. But at the end of the day, if you don't want to spend too much money, 100% understandable, you don't exactly have to go all out on this. Another thing that's a little bit difficult to so another thing that you can do to be a little bit less plastic free that is kind of difficult is deodorant. You can make your own deodorant, and I've linked some recipes down below. However, it does require some out there ingredients. Some have arrowroot starch, some have certain essential oils. So it is something that if you really want to go all out for, you can invest in those things in bulk and plastic free to make yourself your own deodorant. But again, it's pretty expensive if you don't want to do that alternate, so you can buy it from these stores again. All right, so I hope my pictures aided you, but that is all of the basic things that you need to go a little bit more zero waste in the bathroom. Of course, you can do so much more. I haven't even talked about the myriad of ways where you can replace towels with old rags. You can change up your entire cleaning system. It's insane. Zero wasters have really figured it out, and so I hope that we can delve into it more in the future. But yeah, that's some of the things that you can do to be a little bit more zero waste in the bathroom. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe or like this video if you care more about it. Bye!